Every trial turned into grace. When I bowed under the burden, you stood strong in my own place. You called me by name, I belong to you. You called me by name, your word is true. You called me by name, forever yours. No fear can steal